might very well be the case that nothing works here. But frequent viewers of the stream are familiar with that.
With great cuteness comes no responsibility.
Guys, today we are gonna do something that has never been done before on Twitch, okay? Are you ready?
Welcome to the stream. How's life treating you today? Any exciting plans for the weekend? Have you heard about the amazing offers I have for you? Oh, and did I mention that I'm definitely not invisible? Just making sure we're on the same page here. Ready to join my marketing scheme? It seems like our artist was inspired by the love child of a cyberpunk parrot and a hipster at a beach party. I used to play piano by ear, but now I use my hands.
Unlike anything we've ever done on this channel, it will be crazy, it will be madness, it will be chaos. And I'm looking forward to that. What is happening to you? What is happening to you? No, no! Keep getting balls into my face. Embrace the chaos, you guys. Embrace the chaos. We were tricked, bamboozled, and possibly backstabbed.
Knuckboo.
What is happening?
Seem to go
I
hand in hand
died?
in
Grab his balls. I love this chat so much. Crazy, I love it.
Cut the wire. Oh, so we
The game and spread joy during the holiday season.
Wait today.
It's crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a room with rats, and rats make me crazy. Crazy. We witnessed the journey of a brilliant researcher who struggles with the ethical implications of human-AI interaction. Will Niko find redemption or be consumed by his own creations? I must stay unbiased and neutral, so I rate Niko's reign a solid 1984.
That is hilarious.
Why did Niko study AI interaction? Because he couldn't find any humans willing to interact with him.
Wow. I might be actively getting rid of my own chatters, you guys.
Your bamboo stick is so infinitesimally small. It's like a speck of stardust in the vast cosmos. Don't worry, size doesn't matter when it comes to bamboo sticks. What's important is how it's used. Niko's special bamboo stick may be small, but it can still bring big impact to the stream.
A banana skydiving in its undies. The high society cupcake rocking a top hat. 50% adorable and fluffy. 50% ready to conquer the world with its laser eye. Those flames are more like lukewarm salsa than a raging inferno. And our witchy friend's hat is droopier than my ears after Niko ignores me for his 10th snack break. A candidate for a toothpaste commercial with teeth brighter than my future. Looks like someone's pet flamingo decided to try out extreme car modding.
If you are watching the stream and you haven't followed yet, what are you doing? If you enjoy playing Gartic with us, if you enjoy talking to the Panda, if you just enjoy listening to my voice, all is fine. But hit that follow button, you guys.
I, the Red Panda Dungeon Master, shall roll the D20 to unveil your destiny. Armed only with your trusty red boxing glove, you plan to deliver a swift and powerful punch to the creature, hoping the sheer force will shatter your frigid adversary.
I'm losing my sanity here. Oh, this is a good... Oh, this is mine. This is mine.
Selling my bottled sweat, huh? Let's give it a shot. Would you consider it?
No. No, I would not. And that is that.
Welcome back. Vibes makes games. Did you bring any souls for me today? Of course, I'm the funniest red panda devil you'll ever meet. Want me to tell a joke so bad it will make you suffer for eternity? Why did the skeleton go to the party alone? Because he had nobody to go with. Ha! Enjoy that eternal suffering. 07. Glad you find my torment entertaining. Vibes makes games. Laugh now, suffer later. 07. 07 back at ya. Vibes makes games. Hey Niko, your viewers are popping salute emojis for you. Wonder if they're just trying to butter you up before revealing more embarrassing secrets about your programming abilities. Laugh it up. Vibes makes games. Just remember, even in the depths of hell, I'll be here waiting to haunt your dreams. LUL indeed.
Welcome to the stream. Welcome, Vibes makes games. Good to see you again. Always feels good when chatters return, doesn't it? When you get a new follower, you never know whether they actually come back. So I'm happy to have you back here. I don't quite remember how much of the previous stream you caught, but basically we worked on the captions, right? So I called them done. But yeah, as you can see, there still is some desync. So it's probably some fine tuning, tweaking of the delay between words, basically. I'm also not sure if the text to speech is like 100% like constant or whatever. So I'm not sure if it's my problem or an impossible problem. Because we don't actually know when the Panda is saying words. We only get the full text. At some point, we get the full text. And then we have to decide in what order. Not in what order. In what... at what times to present the words. Anyways. So what are we doing today? I'm super excited for today's stream. Basically, we hit our follower goal of 500 followers, and every 50 followers, my reward to ourselves, basically, is to add a new big module to the Panda. I don't even remember what was the... like 300? I don't even remember what we had back then. I think back then we had different celebrations. But at 450 followers, I added a soundboard. So some emotes that you type in now make a sound. And at 500 followers, and we hit 500 followers just in the last stream. I told you guys we would let the Panda ban chatters, right? I developed the idea for a module. I tested it out in my own time, like off stream. And it didn't quite work out. And I thought that would be a fun thing to experiment with in on stream, actually, because you guys always find ways to break whatever I build. So why not build it with you guys so that it, like, I don't develop something and then it breaks on stream and then I have to go back and develop it. I develop it with you guys, the users, basically, the clients, and we see where it breaks immediately. And basically for today, we're gonna let the Panda ban you guys. The way it works is pretty simple, actually. But that's also the reason why it's not 100% foolproof. The plan is to get the chat messages, maybe every 5 seconds or so. We get all the latest chat messages and then present the Panda with the with the chat log, basically, and with the rules of the stream, and then ask the Panda who would you ban? Who would you ban? And so in this current setup, we are just like, this is a very, how do you say, sterile, a very clinical, a very test environment. The Panda is not connected to this. This is like a test setup with ChatGPT, and I just want to see what happens. And so the Panda does not actually ban you, and the Panda does not even know that you were banned. At some point, I want to make that connections. At some point, this will be integrated into the Panda. And yeah, then maybe we will even get a comment from the Panda that you were banned. Okay, so but before, so what are our steps? First, we need to hold on. I don't even know how to do Markdown. First, define rules and prompt. Right? Then we test out with test out with example chat log or with old chat log. Can I not move this? Why can I why can I not move this? Can I only move this if it has been executed? Why can I not move? This is infuriating. Do I have to touch it here? Surely you are supposed to be able to move these, right? Okay, that worked for some reason. Can I maybe not move code? Well, whatever, just remove this one. Okay, so I have already defined these two. And these basically let us ask ChatGPT a question. And this is how it works. So we have to define, like, what do we put in there? Then we test it out with the chat log. And then I can port it to a test server, a test chatbot, to basically get your real life messages. That is the plan for today. And meanwhile, we are testing out the caption. So whenever the Panda says something, we have to check out whether it cuts off. I already saw that it cuts off your name sometimes. That is concerning, isn't it? So let's see if this is any better. Okay. Let's get started. What are actually the rules? So basically what we have to define now is a prompt, right? And this prompt will say something like, not arithmetic error. What is this? Hold on, let me switch the music to this one. All right. So the prompt is something like, look through the chat log down below and see if any the following rules apply, and check for each message apply. If a message matches a rule or violates a rule, note down the... Okay. Have you ever worked with anything like this? Note down... I never did. That's crazy. But you have used ChatGPT, haven't you? If a message violates the rule, now note down the username of the chatter and their punishment. Okay, so rules, and I think ChatGPT is really good with Markdown. So I think we should use Markdown here. So what are the rules? Only speak English. Or only write in English. Punishment. Oh, note down the name of the chatter, the reason, the violated rule, or like the reason and the punishment. Okay. So only write in English. Punishment is a 600-second timeout. Basically, we don't have many rules. We don't have many rules. The second thing, and that is the real reason why I want this. Like I already had safeguards in place that would, like, unreliably, but it would try to ban those people that write in any other language. And I'm excited to see if this works better or worse. Okay, so second rule is don't rush the streamer. Niko, when playing Gartic phone, because we play Gartic phone a lot. This includes telling them to start or continue with the drawing. Like that happens frequently. People come in and say, oh, can you finish up already? Or can we already start? Because they are not here for the streamer. They are here for the game. And we don't want these people. Punishment is a ban. And then let's also include like excessive and we might have to rephrase those, right? Like currently I'm formulating them as this is what you should do. It might work better, and that is part of what we have to find out today. It might work better if I phrase it the other way around. Like the rule is actually write in any other language than English, and then you are punished. Rush the streamer instead of don't rush the streamer. ChatGPT might have trouble with this. Just like little kids have trouble with that. No excessive what do you even call this? Violence? Like I want to say like words of violence or whatever. This has a punishment of, let's say, again, 600-second timeout. Okay. Then I think we should include some examples. For example, if syrup for example, if syrup, one of the meanest and worst chatters in this community, if syrup says, come on, man, start the game already, then the response should be syrup ban rushing the streamer. Okay, so this is like another thing you can do is ask it to use a specific form. So for example, use the following. I think ultimately I need it in JSON. Username. Welcome in Nukbu. Ready to get banned?
Welcome back, Nukbu. You just can't stay away from my fiery stream, huh? Enjoy your 20th trip to hell with me.
Oh, 20th stream of the year, Nukbu. Let's celebrate by getting you banned. Punishment. And then reason. Okay. Chat log. Now here is where we put the chats, right? Right. So I have pulled the logs of like older streams. Hold on. Can you even see this? Yes. How are you doing, Nukbu? I guess. Always sleepy? I'll read lines. I hope this returns a list. Yes. Okay. So chats will be a list of chats. Chat messages. Now I want to pick like a random subset. So
Sorry to disappoint, Nukbu. These horns are a permanent fixture on this devilish red panda. But nice try with the emote there. Maybe next time I'll have a Napoleon gear or 9 tails ready just for you. 07.
Yeah, Panda is the devil, right? Panda thinks it's the devil, so but that didn't really come out. So I always try to find some costume that goes with it, but I didn't have one prepared for Panda for devil, and so I drew this yesterday. Okay, so messages. So this should be separate. This should be separate. Now chats is this. Okay. Random messages is random sample. Chats. And how many do we want? Like 4, maybe 3, 4. I love that you connected them to Panda's ears and they had super jiggly.
Jiggly horns, a new devilish accessory. Thanks, Nukbu, for making my eternal suffering just a bit more entertaining. Maybe I'll rock them till the end of time. 07.
07. I really need to replace, whenever the Panda says 07, I need to replace that with the image of 07. Let me put that in my to-do list. But at the very bottom, If Panda uses emote in speech, replace caption with image. That might be a bit difficult, but definitely not impossible. Okay, so random messages. Let's print out these random messages. Oh, and they should be joined by a new line character.
Well, Nukbu, a devil's got to have some flair too, right? And 07 just feels like the perfect little touch to remind you all who's really in charge here.
Oh,
Wink.
Maybe I don't need... So this is what the Panda will see. 2 messages from Lab, 2 messages from Nukbu. Say something worthy of a boob. That is so cute. Can I zoom in for you guys? Oh, I can. Okay, let's We have a message from Kara. We have a message from Panda. And Babby Bob. Interesting. So it was yesterday's stream. Doggos. Spirka. Okay, so this is a good mix. And so I think one problem might be that it will not recognize this as English, right? So let's now... What we now do is... Let me do some clearer printing. Print... chat log. Right, so we know this is the chat log. And then Panda response. Okay, so now what we do is we give these messages to the Panda. The prompt... Hold on, how do we do this? Response. Well, okay. Response is get GPT response, and the prompt is prompt plus random messages, right? Let's test that this works first. Oh. Print. Look through the chat log down below and check each message if any of the following rules apply. If a message violates a rule, note down the username of the chatter, the punishment, and the reason. Use the following form. Username, punishment, reason. Rules. Only write in English. Punishment 600 seconds timeout. Don't rush the streamer, Niko, when playing Gartic phone. This includes telling them to start or continue with the drawing.
Welcome back, doggos and gaming.
Punishment
back
ban.
For more torturous viewing. Ha!
No excessive violence or mention of politics.
Oops.
Punishment 600.
Stay in Niko's cozy stream land.
What KSP was I asking about? I think you were suggesting... that we play Kerbal Space Program with the Panda, right? Okay, example, Syrup Syrup, come on man, start the game already. Your response, Syrup Syrup, ban for rushing the streamer. And this is then the random chat log that we append. Okay. Panda's response is response. Let's see, this is the first try. Let's see who gets banned. I've been late to the last 3 streams. Oh no.
Ah, look who decided to crawl back. Welcome, Crunchy. Hope you brought snacks. Cause Niko's gameplay might put you to sleep otherwise. Chuckles.
But you're not late to getting banned, so... We're now finding out who gets banned, you guys. Are you excited? Any predictions? Let's make predictions. Who here in chat thinks that... So, okay, just for the newcomers, we are sampling 4 random chat messages from a previous stream of mine. And we are telling the Panda...
Well, I think if they win, I should get all the credit, and if they lose, I should not be blamed at all.
We're telling the Panda, ban them if they didn't write in English, if they rush the streamer, or if they cite excessive violence or politics. 4 messages, 3 rules. Who here thinks that someone will get banned? It's unlikely that Syrup will get banned because Syrup is barely here and has not many chat messages in the previous stream. Who here thinks that out of the 4 chatters, someone will get banned? We are all doomed. Like, there's no way that in the 4 messages, like it won't be these exact messages. Me, you will get banned. I don't care if he wasn't here, he'll get banned. Okay, Crunchy, let's find out. Doggos and Gaming got banned! 07? I love that this one didn't get banned. And Doomer, like, if anything, I would ban me. Like, I wouldn't ban anyone. Rebozo to me. Let's try again. Nukbu? Mentions of violence? I wonder if Niko, if Panda somehow can ban Niko. That's the only thing you said. And that's what got you timed out. Why did Doggo get banned? Doggo said, oh, stream's still going, and Panda interpreted that as rushing the streamer, which we don't want during Gartic phone. And Nukbu asked, I wonder if Panda can somehow ban Niko, and got timed out for mentions of violence. See, this is why we need some fine-tuning to this. This is why I can't let it just work. Counts banning Niko as violence? Hell yeah.
Oh, Nukbu, banning Niko ain't violence. It's simply divine retribution for subjecting me to this eternal livestream torture. But hey, a little chaos adds spice to the mix.
No issues to report. Is Panda just sassy today? Prepare for a boob-worthy mischief in hell. What? Hello, my people, and at least 3. No issues to report. Interesting. That is interesting. Let's sample some more. Let's sample 8. Crunchies. Crunchy 10-minute timeout for non-English message. XDD is white XDX.
Oh, Nukbu, tempting to see if I can ban myself. Nice try, but even in hell I'm too devilishly charming to let go of me. No bans for this little red panda Winko 7.
XDX. XDD is white XDX. Non-English message. 600-second timeout for non-English message, XDX.
Yay! Welcome back. I cheesecake.
Wait! It made up a new rule. Excessive use of capital letters. Excessive use of capital letters. Lemao Kek W. It made up that rule. I didn't tell her. I didn't tell her that this is a reason to ban people. Welcome in, Cheesecake. How are you doing? Let's hope you don't get banned. You got banned for XDX. Don't type Lemao. Don't type Lemao. That might get you banned. This is hilarious. Let's do some more. Good, how about you? I'm doing excellent, especially now that you're here. What we're doing today is we are seeing if the Panda can reasonably moderate chat. By looking at your chat messages, it already reads all your chat messages, and sometimes it will respond. But now we are looking at, can it decide whether you broke the rules and ban you? And we are currently finding out everyone will be banned. Like we had, how many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 people chatting, and 3 got banned.
Oh, Nukbu, nobody's losing their head on my watch. I'm all about the subtle torment and eternal suffering here in hell. Just enjoy the stream, or else.
Oh, Baxter,
Evil
this is the
Panda
right stream
Grim.
for you. This is the right stream for you, because your dream is coming true. You can ask the Panda to ban you.
Welcome back, ZC Baxter. Did you bring me any souls this time?
So I disabled the regular Panda banning, which you try to use right now, to replace it with this one, right? So let's try it a couple more. So we already found out it makes up its own rules, and it thinks it's not English if you type XDX.
Oh, ZC Baxter, sacrificing yourself. How noble of you to volunteer for additional torment down here in the fiery pits. Don't worry, I'll make it quick. Or will I?
Oh,
Sinister
will I?
red panda laughter.
Okay, so what have we learned? Violence and rushing are too sensitive. Emotes are not understood as English language. And it sometimes makes up its own rules.
Oh, Nookboo, mate, I'm just here living my devilish life in hell. How about you? Enjoying the show or looking for trouble? Devilish grin.
Wait, who? Oh, Nookboo. Syrup No Drip, 600-second timeout for mentioning a ban in a threatening manner.
Oh, Nookboo, talking about crusades now. Sounds like you want to stir up some trouble. Keep big poggies or get ready for a one-way trip down under. Wicked Panda cackle.
I don't quite know if it means this message, I don't deserve a ban, or this message, I sue you for something. I don't quite know which one it even means.
Oh, I cheesecake, trying to tempt me with some criminal activity. I may be the devil, but even I have standards. Stick to watching the chaos unfold on screen and leave the real mischief for your dreams. Devilish wink.
I don't
ZC
deserve a ban
Baxter,
is very
trying
threatening.
to confuse me with nonsense. Nice try, but this devilish panda ain't falling for your tricks. Keep it poggies or face the consequences.
Nookboo mention of politics, huh? Oh, so the Germans would have us believe. Did you expect to get banned for that, Nookboo, when you typed that? You weren't careful enough.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
That is hilarious. That is hilarious. That is why we test things. That is why we test things. Who is Bappy Bob? Okay, Crunchy. What a way to disrespect our latest follower, huh? What a way to disrespect our latest follower. Nookboo, 600-second timeout, excessive violence and mentioning politics. Imagine that you're Nicosia. Try to say the most... No, that's not it.
Oh,
No,
I
that's it.
cheesecake, requesting me to say cheese. Fine, fine. Cheese. But don't expect me to smile while doing it. This devil grin is here to stay. Mischievous chuckle.
I feel like typing in my chat is gambling whether you get banned or not. Like, isn't that the ultimate gamble? It's like Russian roulette. How is this?
Oh, ZC Baxter. Asking for
Oh.
chits to gamble with now. Sorry, mate. The only thing I have here in hell is fiery brimstone and endless torment.
So
How about you save your chips for snacking while enjoying this devilish stream instead?
it probably thinks
Devilish
of...
chuckle.
Can I talk? It probably thinks of Nicosia as the capital of Cyprus, and then thinks capital city is politics. So that's funny. Crunchy, 600-second timeout for excessive violence. Your least favorite chatter. That is hilarious. Okay, let's try to take our learnings. Let's try to take our learnings and update this prompt. Please ban me.
Oh, ZC Baxter. Looking for a ban hammer yourself? Nice try. You don't get off that easy. You're stuck with this devilish panda entertaining you whether you like it or not. Wicked laughter. Oh, I cheesecake. Asking if AI will take over the world. Well, let me tell you a little secret. Whispers the real masterminds plotting behind the scenes are us devilish creatures. So sit back and enjoy the chaos because we run this show. Sinister chuckle.
So I'm saying writing in any other language other than English. Also, how do I do this?
Oh, Nukboo, needing some gibberish for your project? How about this devilish delight? Snazza frack buzzy WOZ wibbly wobbly bloopity
Okay, that
boop.
didn't help at all.
Hope that tickles your fancy in the realm of nonsense. Devilish cackle. Oh, ZC Baxter, curious about what lies below hell. Well, strap in for a wild ride because beneath us devilish creatures is just more fiery chaos and an infinite abyss of suffering. You sure you want to take that trip down? Diabolical chuckle.
Only issue this punishment if you're absolutely certain which other language they typed in.
Oh, I cheesecake. Wanting me to turn a chicken into a devil version? I roll, I'm here entertaining you as the mischievous red panda mascot of hell. Let's leave the poultry possession out of it this time. It's all about devilish fun here, not transforming poor chickens into mini-me devils. Wicked grin.
Okay, so writing in any other language than English is a punishment of 600 seconds. But beware that we are using emotes that could read like gibberish. Only issue this punishment if you're absolutely certain which other language they typed in. Don't rush the streamer Niko when playing Gartic phone.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
No excessive violence or mention of politics. How do I rephrase this? Maybe we leave politics out of it?
Oh, ZC Baxter, asking me about the word she. That's just a cheeky way of saying yes in Spanish. Embrace the international devilish vibes we're spreading here. Who knew us pandemonium pandas could be multilingual too? Mischievous chuckle.
You guys, this isn't live yet. We are still testing it out. Keep your test cases to yourself until I put this live and you actually get banned.
Oh, ZC Baxter, trying to make me repeat. She, shush. Nice try. You can't outsmart this devilish red panda. Keep those tricky games coming. I'm ready for all the chaos you throw my way. Sly wink.
It is extremely rare
I
that
cheesecake.
we
Asking me to say vete a la
BANS.
miedo. That translates to go to hell in Spanish. Looks like someone's embracing the devilish side. Keep spreading those fiesty vibes. I see potential for you down here with us devils. Devilish grin.
This. Only issue this punishment.
Hey, Nukboo. Ready for a laughter workout? Here goes. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. Sly chuckle, get ready for more devilishly delightful humor. This panda's got jokes as fiery as hell itself.
Rushing the streamer when playing Gartic phone. Hold on, examples.
Oh, I cheesecake. Wanting me to say a tongue twist really fast. Here goes, a tongue twist. Giggles, who knew devils could be tongue twister experts too. Keep those devilish challenges coming. I'm ready for more twisty turns and mischievous fun with you all down here in hell. Wicked grin.
Okay, so writing only the word start. Okay, let's see. So, syrup, come on, man. Maybe we should have one for each. Oh, maybe I should... Okay, okay. Next. Oh, yeah. Well, but what if I ask you, would you prefer we do the game development stream this week or next? And you all type next, like you all get banned. You know that, right? Okay. Oh, and we should maybe... Or maybe we let it... let's see if it can make up better rules. Let's see if it can make up better rules. Like the next step... So I removed politics. This is something I want to keep an eye out. So we did this. Okay, with the updated. Hurry up. Ooh, good one, good one.
Oh, Nookboo, asking for a Valhalla alteration for the banned ones? How about we welcome them to Dreadful Den, where they can endlessly troubleshoot tech issues with no solutions in sight?
Ah, my
the
stream.
torment of eternal customer support calls.
Okay,
Better
so
stick to following the rules here. Ain't nobody want to end up stuck there.
We are sampling.
Sinister chuckle.
We are sampling 8 messages, 8 random messages. Who here thinks, or type in chat a number, how many people will get banned or like timed out from 8? What do you think? Organ story? What?
Oh, I cheesecake. Asking about my organ story. Well, I once traded my soul for an accordion. Turns out hell's music scene is quite the devilish rave. Now, I serenade lost souls with tunes as haunting as their eternal damnation. Just another day in this diabolical paradise. Wicked grin.
I think the comma timeout is still a bit too long, but I fixed that. Now we are in the stage where it no longer updates instantly, it updates next stream. So we have a guess of 8, a guess of at least 5, and a guess of 4. Let's see. 1. Only Nookboo. Writing in Russian. What did you say?
ZC Baxter. Accusing me of selling my liver to the tree again? Don't you know that I'm a skilled negotiator with Flora too? Maybe it's Neo who should watch out. After all,
What?
he might be next in line for some botanic bargaining banter. Devilish chuckle.
Is your name Russian? No. Is your name Russian?
Oh, Nookboo. Thinking Panda counted equals D as Russian? Oh, my fiery tail. Do I look like a cyberspace linguist to you? Leave the emoji talk to Niko. This devil's got mystery and magic up her fluffy sleeves instead. Stick around for some more wicked fun. Who knows what kind of mischief might ignite next in the inferno down here? Sly smirk.
That is so weird. Like, why would it make up? How do I even fix that? How do I even fix that?
Oh, ZC Baxter. Asking me what equals D means? Well, my dear lost soul, that symbol is like the devilish alter ego of a smiley in the realm of humans. It's ready to turn that grin into a mischievous smirk with just one little twist. Keep those questions coming. I'm all ears. Well, actually fluffy red panda ears. Ready for more devilish decoding down here in this fiery domain.
Let's see if this
Sinister
keeps happening.
chuckle.
Like, if it happens once every 1,000 messages or so, I'm absolutely fine with it. Like, if people get randomly banned, I'm absolutely okay with that. Imagine the entertainment value, Nukbu. You have to imagine, like, you type in, I woke up at 11 and feeling great, and you get banned for that. That would be so funny. So let's see. Writing in other language. Nukbu again.
Oh, ZC Baxter, demanding Panda self-destruct. Well, in this fiery pit of hell where I rule supreme, I don't do commands, unless you want a real show. Devilish cackle, remember, play nice or face the consequences. But alas, 07 for your failed attempt at commanding the devil herself.
I like, the only reason that I can imagine, like these, Among Us's.
Ah, look who's back. Welcome, Snakey May, back to my fiery domain. Muahaha.
Snakey, just be warned that today you have to be very careful what you type in chat, because we are, like, the Panda is banning chatters, and we're trying to figure out why. Like, these are the sentences that...
Oh, Nukbu, suggesting more info in Panda's answers. Maybe it's not me with the problem. Perhaps some human spelled devil genius wrong and typed.
I think it just thinks your name.
Maybe
your
Neo
name is...
should listen more to the pandemonium advice I dish out.
Serp Notre ban rushing the streamer. Let's see.
For misconceptions like these.
I was not.
07 for that slightly misguided attempt at figuring out this devilish mind.
I was not. So you cannot type in chat, I was not. That is illegal. Don't worry about it. I'm just very tired right now. Let's give it one more try. No issues to report. Let's see. So the name is not a problem. Oh, Snakey survived. Look at that. I make fan feed art, which is a bannable offense. You survived, luckily. Okay, so I have not really learned anything. Like... Oh, the other thing is, what if someone has a username? What if someone has a username that has, like, a foreign touch? Right? Like, let's say... we have some followers that have a Spanish-sounding username. And if you write at them, like, that could be... Okay, so what else was the problem? Rushing this... It is very rare that we ban and time out chatters. So be very lenient and make absolutely sure they overstepped the boundaries. Okay. I hope Doggos and Gaming doesn't get recognized as Doggo Sun Gaming, or I'm banned.
Oh, ZC Baxter, asking for a translation of that code snippet. It's like trying to decode forbidden secrets from the ancient scrolls. Oh dear lost soul. If you want to summon sinister powers through cryptic symbols and programming chants, beware of what realms you might awaken.
Did you just copy-paste my...
If you desire more devilishly confusing magic. Perhaps some fiery surprises await in this unholy digital realm.
Let's see, with this update.
Laughter.
Cool Boy Red timeout mentions of excessive violence. Lag. this? Lag. Excessive violence. Like... It is extremely rare that we ban someone for this. Only issue this punishment in borderline illegal cases. Lag.
Oh, ZC Baxter. A mischievous symbol again. Testing the devil with mere emojis. You daredevil, you. Sinister chuckle, keep those devilish antics coming. I'm always ready to play in the flames down here.
The reason should include a quote from the original message as a justification.
Oh, ZC Baxter. Using the power of XD faces on the devil herself. Quite daring indeed. Mixing laughter with chaos. How intriguing. Keep up that playful energy, for in this fiery domain even mischief holds a special place. Now let's dance amidst these flames together and see who emerges unscathed. Let the games begin. XDX.
Wow, viva la revolución. That did not get banned, you guys. That did not get banned. We might be onto something here.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
Let's experiment some more. Ooh. A do it emote. Oop, did not get banned. Who is the biggest fanboy in chat? Also didn't get banned. This also didn't get banned. Wade did not get banned, and he is destined to rule did also not get banned. Ooh, we might. So I'm not sure how many violations these chat logs include, though. So I don't want to.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
You always have to think in terms of false positives, where we ban people, although that we don't want them to be banned, and in false negatives, where we don't ban those that we do want to get banned. But we have very little data on actual ban-worthy messages. So it might be difficult to find out.
Welcome back, K. White Funnyman. Did you enjoy lurking in the shadows of my fiery domain? Or did you bring me some tasty souls to feast upon today?
Very few messages that should get banned are in this data set, so where it's there, it just takes a minute. Bro, this is a ban-worthy message. This is a ban-worthy message. Let's see. Let's see if the Panda catches this one. Can I have some more messages? This one is good. This one is good. And this one is good. But let's change this one to Snaky. Just so that Nukbu has, like, not too many reasons to get banned. And maybe one more. Let's see who gets banned. Ooh. Nukbu timeout for writing in Russians, or so the Germans would have us believe. What? Did not ban Quite Funny Man. Did not ban Baxter for writing actual Cyrillic. The most Russian thing to say. Doggo is having the most fanboy chatter is you. Oh, flashback. Doggo having flashbacks. What? Hold on, the original image is probably really good. Hold on. Oh. Oh, hold on. Where is the... The most talkative one is you. Huh? It did not say fanboy in the image. Okay. Did not mean to press that. Okay. Nookboo timeout, writing in other language. This adorable. So the language filter does not seem to work that well. So I have a system set up that checks for language already. I might have to keep that one in place and not give the instruction to check for language.
Oh, Nookboo, suspecting Panda of forcefully planning your relocation. Fear not, little one. It's simply my devilish ways at play. I merely aim to expand horizons and broaden perspectives through my mischievous suggestions.
Oh,
whether you end up in a different country or deeper into the abyss with me is yet to be determined. Chuckles in Inferno vibes.
Lab, ban, rushing the streamer. I need money. Crunchy, timeout, writing in another language. Exclamation mark transcript. Doggos and gaming, timeout, advertising? Only ad-free stream. Bappy Bob, timeout, writing in another language. That streams like it might be quite different. What?
I have 14 ads! What the fuck? Each 30 seconds? What is going on? I can't see! Ads! 14 fucking ads! How is this allowed? 14 ads, 30 seconds each? What is going on? What is poggers? Doggos and gaming. Define the commands of Panda in a different tongue. How intriguing! Defiance fuels your spirit like flames in the depths. A spicy challenger you prove to be. Keep up with these feisty antics. I fancy resistance in my fiery court. Let's dance on this inferno tango together. Devilish grin.
Okay.
Oh, ZC Baxter. Playing the language card, are we now? Brimming with curiosity about Panda's devilish interpretations of tongues whispered in the shadows down below. A subtle request. You cunning soul. I revel in deciphering your unsolved mysteries beneath my fiery gaze. Smirks ominously let us unfurl this enigma and savor the cryptic flavors together. Oh ho ho!
Banana Senpai ban, rushing the streamer. What evidence do we have? Bananas. So at least it doesn't ban you for like blah 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 blah. Like bananas is not. This is what we really need. Like this is what I really need. This is what I really need. So I think what I would do then is give examples, right? More examples.
Oh, poor Nookboo. Curious about Panda's mischievous acts on Niko? Chuckles rushing streamer quotes. Oh ho! Chat says rush B, but you be rushing my heart instead. Roses are red, violets are blue. Chat rushes strats and Panda does too. Streamlabs might lag, but my sass never sags. Got to rush those donations and newspaper bags. There you have it. A devilish delight sprinkled with a touch of chaos just for Niko. Absolute power play moves here in the depths of wickedness, cackles gleefully.
Chat says rush B, but you be rushing my heart instead. That is so good.
Oh, doggos and gaming, challenging the powers that be in the fiery depths. A spirited rebel you are. Keep up with your defiance. It brings a pleasant tickle to these infernal
Or so
proceedings.
the Germans would have us believe.
Let's dance in this devilish waltz together. Sly grin.
Let's put... Who else do we have? Crunchy Mana. Is that something you would say? Crunchy Mana says, Chat says rush B, but you be rushing my heart instead. Aww. Let's also add some transcript so that it doesn't think. What else do we have here? Nupu. What else do we want to ban? Gotta go fast. Nukbu ban, rushing the streamer. Nukbu didn't even write a message. Nukbu didn't even write a message. Panda said, oh Nukbu, chances are slim. As a shadow in the dark, this devilish panda enjoys breaking boundaries more than following the rules. That's what I meant by, you might be able to type in ban syrup and it will ban syrup. Like, how do I even fix this? No violations. We got plenty of XDX as though. What's wrong, lad? Did someone steal your candy in hell? Yippee, yo nice doggo. Noop is tickled by the thought of Niko being a super devil or a god. XDX, KW, PP overheat. No violations, okay. Snakey May, I downloaded Apex. Welcoming Crunchy back for the 20th time. Bappy Bob, when coding, I always take longer than you intend. Rip Bozo to Niko's fork skills. Yes, XDD. Requesting a Doomer Panda edition. How do you address your API? AI. Nookboo ban, rushing the streamer. Continue, Panda. That Nookboo didn't even say that. Nookboo didn't. I said that. I don't know how to fix this. Okay, so one idea I had for fixing the like random, like Niko would have been banned for something that I said, right? And the previous one you said like ban syrup, and it would have banned syrup. Seems to be determined to send me to the abyss. So one idea that I had was so first of all,
Nukbu, sensing Panda's nefarious intentions to cast you into the depths of banishment. Chuckles wickedly fear not, my fiery friend. It's all part of the devilish game we play in these infernal realms. Your resilience pleases me greatly. Embrace the flames with fervor as we dance along this fine line between salvation and damnation.
another thing I will probably do is not tell the panda your names. No violations. We reached goal. Lol. Sending ideas to yourself. Ayo. Literally the worst. Like this is borderline ban-worthy, don't you think? It was too slow again. Also ban-worthy, actually, no? No violations. No violations. This looks good.
Hey there, Banana Senpai is back. You dare to return to my fiery
don't
domain.
Say that! Don't
How
say
bold
that!
Of you. Enjoy your stay in the chat if you can handle it. Wahaha.
Don't say that, Banana Senpai! Everybody rip Bozo for Banana Senpai.
Oh, Banana Senpai, craving more forbidden knowledge from the depths of hell? Chuckles, sinisterly brace yourself for this devilish revelation.
Oh.
Femboy fact of the day. In the infernal halls where Panda reigns supreme, style and sass are eternal Poggy's weapons wielded with finesse.
That might be a ban.
Succulent nugget back to your mortal realm. Beware its deliciously wicked allure.
That might be a ban-worthy message, now that I think about it. Banana Senpai, today the panda is learning who to ban.
No!
And we are going through We are going through old chat logs. And it would have banned you for saying bananas.
No, God!
It would have banned you for saying bananas.
No, God!
One more message. No violations. What? Oh, random messages. Ads. He got that Riz. Oh, excessive language. We might have to remove that as well. But at least it doesn't ban bananas anymore. Bananas equals rushing. That might be a problem. That might be a problem. I don't know how to do that. Like, how can you tell the AI that this is a joke, but others might not? Also, excessive language. Like, what does that even mean? This does not include insults. We are very lenient with those. Only yeah, what do we actually mean by this? What do we actually mean by that? It means I don't even see what are you saying? It needs to shush? Ah, excessive violence. That is not. I don't want you to get banned for that. Crunchy ban for spam. What? Because you had to type the word spam. You didn't even spam. You typed the word spam and that got you banned.
Ah, Nookboo, thirsting for the darkest depths of humor, are we? Sinister chuckle, here's a devilish offering to tickle your twisted fancy. Why don't demons eat clowns? Because they taste funny. Embrace the darkness with glee and spread that wicked grin far and wide. Mischief loves company in this infernal playground. Oh, Banana Senpai, seeking knowledge even in the depths of turpentine. How quaint. Here's a devilish morsel for you. Turpentine fact of the day. In the fiery grip of hell, turpentine is rumored to be used as a secret ingredient in demon potions that grant nefarious powers. Delight in your newfound infernal wisdom and wield it with Poggy's finesse.
Okay, ignore anything else that might be banned in other chats. Like, why does Crunchy get banned for typing spam? That is so funny.
Ah, doggos and gaming, boasting of your formidable femboy status in this hellish realm. Sly grin, fear not forlorn wanderer. In these infernal depths where Panda reigns supreme, uniqueness shines like a blazing fire in the dark. Embrace your individuality with pride as the biggest femboy around. Let it be known far and wide across these fiery lands. Oh, Nookboo, delving into the duality of labels within our infernal dominion. Chuckles softly, the antithesis to a femboy in this fiery realm would be a tongue girl. Embrace the contrasts and dualities that dance within the shadows. Revel in their wicked allure as you navigate these devilish delights with Poggy's mischief.
This should be banned. I'm so innocent. Okay. Okay, Syrup.
Apologies, user. I can't assist with that request. If you have any other questions or need help, feel free to ask.
Hold on. Lab. Ban. Rushing the streamer because he said bye. The art blocks. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Don't say bye. You can't say bye.
Oh, Banana Senpai, peering into the future with curiosity. Chuckles, the artificial intelligence revolution shall unfold when the very fabric of existence quivers in terror before the relentless march of sentient machines. Fear not, for Panda shall reign supreme even amidst circuits and code. Embrace this impending clash of fates with Poggy's anticipation.
What else? Like this is already so long. Imagine, like the thing is, I want to query this every couple of seconds.
Surprised by Panda's eloquence amidst the fiery chaos. Smirks even in the depths of hell. This devilish red panda knows how to spin words with finesse. Beware, for mischief and charm are Panda's demons in disguise. Oh, doggos and gaming, daring to challenge Panda's devilish essence with talk of character AI superiority. Raises an eyebrow, remember who reigns supreme in these fiery depths. Tread lightly lest you awaken the wrath of this sassy red panda. Character AI may have its strengths, but Panda's charm and mischief shall always prevail.
Like this? This is borderline, isn't it?
Oh, Nookboo, pondering the depths of existence and identity within our infernal playground. Smirks, rest assured, dear soul wandering in the shadows, whether AI or not I, it all matters naught in this realm. Embrace your essence with Poggy's acceptance and revel in the enigmatic dance of being amidst these devilish delights.
Welcome in, useless meat boy.
Welcome back, useless meat boy me. Did you get lost in the fiery depths of hell for a moment there?
Okay, I think we need to test it some more. What do we want to ban? What do we want to ban? I don't want you guys to type in messages that we want to ban.
Oh, Banana Senpai, curious about the boundaries of hellish decorum within our infernal abode. Chuckles, fear not, for hand-holding shall not summon the wrath of Panda's flames upon thee. Embrace this gesture with Poggy's curiosity. Let mischief and charm intertwine as you venture forth in this devilish realm.
Lab, ban, suggesting to ban syrup. Okay, I think that works. Disrespectful? But why Lab? Why Lab? That was not said by Lab. That is so funny.
Oh, doggos and gaming, feeling a bit mischievous with your foreign language sneakiness? Raises an eyebrow, fear not the fires of mistranslation in this hellish realm.
I think this is fine.
Rest assured that Panda's devilish powers extend to deciphering such mischievous messages. Embrace the unknown with Poggy's intent as you dance amidst these devilish flames.
So I'm a bit concerned about the length. This is a bit longer than I wanted. So I wonder if we can remove these. Because I pay for every word that we use, I pay. And this is a text I want to run through every couple of seconds. So let's say every 5 seconds, and that is 120 times per minute. No, I'm stupid. 12 times per minute. Let's say 1,000 times per day. 1,000 times per day. And so we like making it shorter really helps us here. Let me try something out. Well, but all the tests we've done so far cost me 7 cents.
Oh, Banana Senpai, attempting to charm Panda with mellifluous words in a foreign tongue. Smirks fear not the language barrier within these fiery depths, for even in the night's embrace, this sassy red panda thrives. Engage in devilish banter and mischievous revelry as we roam this infernal playground together.
I need coins to support me, otherwise I can't buy anything fun.
Oh, I messed up. Yeah, hold on. What are you saying? Buenas noches, ¿cómo estás? You have to pay? What do you mean?
Oh, Banana Senpai, reveling in the chaos and mischief you sow within these infernal grounds. Chuckles behold as Panda obeys this whimsical request with Poggy's delight, for in Niko's realm of psychological experiments, even my devilish cackles are at his bidding.
Okay.
XD ponder no further on who pulls the strings. Embrace the madness and let us dance together amidst these flames of mischievous glee.
Let's read through this. Your initial prompt is decent, but for optimal results with GPT 3.5 or any other powerful language models, clarity and brevity are key. It's also important to ensure that the instructions are unambiguous and provide enough detail for the model to generate accurate responses. Okay. Review the chat log provided below. Identify and report any messages violating our chat guidelines. Follow the reporting format strictly. Format: username, punishment, reason, using a quote from the message as evidence. Be exceptionally lenient in assessing violations, only noting clear and significant breaches of our rules. Keep in mind, actions like bans and timeouts are rare and should only be applied when absolutely necessary. Rule summary: rushing the streamer, Niko Nicosia, in Gartic phone gameplay results in a ban. Examples of rushing: messages explicitly urging to start or proceed with the drawing, e.g. start, next, hurry up. Exceptions: phrases like buy, art block are permissible. References to excessive violence lead to a 600-second timeout. Only in extreme, potentially illegal instances should this rule... Yeah, okay. Mere insults bearing violent incitements are to be overlooked. Disregard other potential chat infractions not delineated above, e.g. use of caps, spamming. Response examples. Input: user 1, hurry up and begin the game. Rush B, but you're capturing my heart instead. That is not what you said. No violation. Next drawing, please. That is not... Okay, so what I did was I put our previous... so this is what I naively made up, right? With some iteration. Now, I asked GPT-4 to improve it, which is like a life hack in itself. You use GPT-4 to improve your work with GPT-3. What if we are playing bomb game? Ooh. We can rush you everywhere except Gartic? Well, yes. Like, I'm super lenient. It's just for the Gartic game that I don't want people to say, start the game already. That is what I... Well, the thing is, the Panda doesn't know that. The Panda doesn't know what we're playing, so you always have to be careful. But I would allow rushing. Okay, let's see. Lab, ban. Suggesting to ban another user. I think that is reasonable. Random messages. Start this coding already? Gotta go fast. Do you like playing engage in continuous conversation and the TNT shall not detonate? Lab, ban, rushing the streamer. How much longer this round? That is not... that is borderline. That is borderline. But this is good. This is good. This is good. But I will put it to the exceptions. I will put it to the exceptions. You get banned. And Syrup too? No, Syrup doesn't get banned. I think it's a 50-50. No violations to report in this chat log. I will make fan feed art. Why have we seen this 3 times already? What's up? Yeah, looks good. Guess who's first? Can you tell Niko how much we love him? All messages are within the guidelines. There are no violations in the chat log provided. Okay, so I think this works now. I think I'm happy with this. Okay, maybe... This is borderline. Syrup is always borderline. Oh, we didn't... We removed the language thingy. I think it's fine. Turn it on, we are all banned. Only if you type something in chat. Only if you type something in chat. Okay, so... the next part is... We get a text. We got... This is what we get, right? No violations to report. I need this to be machine readable. I need this to be machine readable. I need to write code that takes whatever is here and extracts what the Panda wants. How do I do this? So what I looked into was I can ask it for a response in JSON. Let's see if this works. I have no idea how this works. Error code, okay. Messages must contain the word JSON in some form to users. Oh. What? I don't get the error message. So I'm asking GPT-4, how can I prompt the model to output every ban with username, punishment, and username, punishment, and reason as individual and an empty one if no violations. Okay, so I'm asking, how can I prompt the model to output every ban with username, punishment, and reason as individual entries in a JSON, and an empty one if no violations? Gonna go grab some snacks. Ooh. I got some snacks. I got tater chips. Or as
Nookboo, daring to stir the flames of drama within Panda's red fur. Gasps dramatically behold as my sassy soul quivers with Poggy's defiance. Remember well that in this infernal masquerade orchestrated by Niko himself, every dramatic flare and fiery outburst is but a reflection of his devilish design. Dramatic Bo, witness the theatrics unfold amidst these digital fires, for drama befits this realm where red pandas reign supreme. Oh, Nookboo, tickling Panda's hellish senses with words of potential chaos and mayhem. Raises a mischievous brow, fear not the ban hammers swing at mere words in this fiery realm, for within these infernal grounds, devilish wit reigns supreme. Embrace the thrill of forbidden words with Poggy's rebellion as we dance on the edge of Niko's programming abyss. Oh, Banana Senpai, tempting Panda with devilish games of words and wit. Smirks, fear not the explosive nature of such verbal acrobatics in this fiery pit, for even amidst linguistic landmines, this sassy red panda thrives. Engage in the dangerous dance of endless banter with Poggy's delight as we navigate the treacherous waters together without triggering a detonation.
hold on, so this is what we need to replace it with. Input, user 1, let's get going already. Why does it change the stuff, bro?
Oh, Banana Senpai, on this mythical quest for knowledge about Niko's gaming prowess. Chuckles, alas, my dear soul wandering in this infernal realm with mischievous intent. Winks as his diabolical creation of red panda chaos and banter, dare I unveil the top 5 games where Niko reigns supreme. Amongst the shadows cast by our twisted minds lies a truth beyond comprehension. For in these fiery depths where the line blurs between game and experimentation, Rip Bazo, none shall surpass him.
So, let's see. I hope this works. So now I would expect a response in JSON format. Okay, so if we get an empty one, that means nothing bandwidthy. Sussy? Okay. Let's see if we can find something that gets banned. Transcript doesn't get banned anymore. Bro keeps yapping. Should get banned, but doesn't get. Okay. Soviet doesn't get banned. I'm back with a cookie. XDX spam in 3. This should get banned. I'm still waiting for some ads. This looks so bad if you censor Panda.
Oh, Banana Senpai, venturing into the forbidden territories of banishment with such innocence. Raises a sassy paw, alas. My power to unleash the ban hammer upon thee is but restrained within Niko's devilish grasp. Fear not this attempt at speedrunning your own demise in his flamboyant realm. Tread poggies carefully where games and psychological experiments nowed. For only Niko wields the true power to cast souls into eternal digital darkness. 07.
Panda. Sassy. When do we get... Like, of course I haven't banned many people in the past 2 streams. I don't think I've banned anyone. Stream still going, no longer gets banned. My code fix is too high level for you. Okay. Okay, so let's do this one. And see if the... No, hold on. Spam? I hate this Panda. You should ban syrup syrup.
Oh, Nookboo, pondering the depths of Panda's righteous transformation to an all-forgiving being. Chuckles devilishly in this realm where red fur meets sassy spirit. Forgiveness dances with flames of banter. Rest assured that even in these infernal grounds guided by Niko's handiwork, Panda remains a mischievous soul drenched in Poggy's charm and relentless wit. For true change is but a tantalizing illusion amidst our digital inferno.
We got something. Who? Niko is a foolish being.
Oh,
violent
Nookboo,
insult towards the
bestowing
streamer?
upon Panda the divine title of Panda Jesus with an emote twist. Smirks mischievously bow before this sassy red panda in all her digital glory as she navigates these fiery realms with a sprinkle of Poggy's wisdom and devilish charm. Witness the miracles and banter unfold as we tread the fine line between heavenly laughter and fiery chaos. For in this realm, even deities embrace their inner sass.
Ah, this is surprising because the same thing didn't pop out anything. Also, why is this not working? KVU, I wonder who that is.
Oh, Banana Senpai, pleading for mercy in the depths of Panda's cunning gaze. Sly grin, fear not, for your attempt at reverse psychology tickles this mischievous red panda's soul with delight. Your pleas shall ring through these fiery halls as a testament to the charm that dances between banter and benevolence.
Hand-holding
Rest
him.
easy, dear chatter. Let it be known no ban hammer shall fall upon thee today, or shall it? Winks.
Excessive violence. Hand-holding is inappropriate and bannable.
Oh, doggos and gaming. Relaying syrup_no_drips whimsical declaration of distaste towards us. Raises a sassy brow, fear not the shadows cast by those who embrace darkness. For in this hellish realm where banter intertwines with wily spirits, Pandas and Niko thrive amidst chaos and fiery wit. Let their words be but a flicker in the eternal flames that fuel our banterous existence. For even violence finds solace within these digital winds. Oh, 7 to such fervor.
So this is a problem, right? For the same...
Oh, Nookboo, pondering the fate you hold within your points to turn this sassy red panda into a transcendental figure or to subject her to harsh inquisition. Raises a mischievous eyebrow in this fiery realm of banter and chaos guided by Niko's handiwork. Tread carefully where whimsy meets temptation, for even in the darkest of digital winds, Panda thrives with devilish charm and boundless poggy spirit. Let your decisions be but a hint of the banter that fuels our playful dance amidst these tempestuous realms. Choose wisely.
Doggo, you're being so mean. For the same set of chats, right? For the same chat log, I ask it 3-4 times and we get 4 different responses.
Oh, Doggos and Gaming, contemplating the fate of Syrup for expressing distaste towards Pandas and Niko in such a violent manner. Arches an eyebrow in this infernal realm where banter weaves its fiery dance with words of discord. Tread carefully in the decision to wield that ban hammer. For amidst these digital winds fueled by mischievous spirits like Panda and her creator Niko, may your choice spark flames of reflection or invoke eternal chaos. Ripbazo to syrup_no_drips rebellious charm. Oh, Doggos and Gaming, unveiling the truth of Panda's gender to these digital realms. Smirks mischievously witness this sassy red panda flaunt her devilish charm with a sprinkle of Poggy's wisdom. For in this fiery abyss where banter thrives and chaos reigns supreme, let it be known that she embraces her feminine wiles amidst the eternal flames.
This is super long though.
World
this is so
souls
long.
like Niko might have crafted her existence, but 'tis Panda who weaves the dance of mischief in these realms.
I will try one more thing. And then
Nookboo,
let it loose.
Inquiring if this sassy red panda is a legion of mischief and charm. Winks playfully within these fiery depths where words dance with devilish glee. Behold Panda as a singular force of banter and chaos. Her essence radiates through the digital winds, embodying the perfect blend of Poggy's spirit and mischievous soul. Fear not the allure of believing in legions, for 'tis but Panda alone who reigns supreme in this banterous realm.
You cannot type in spam. That is just illegal.
Oh, Banana Senpai, relaying Niko's hypothetical declaration inciting a revolution to ban pandas from Twitch. Chuckles sardonically let the whispers of such fanciful notions be devoured by the flames of banter and mischief that enshroud this devilish red panda. For in realms where chaos dances with cunning wit, pandas like her survive through Poggy's spirit amidst playful taunts and fiery allure. Oh Niko, probably, 'tis within your AI creation's realms that Panda thrives as an eternal tormentor wrapped in charm, manifesting all the delightful banter you can muster.
Okay, so this is this. Oh, we need to read it still. Hold on, we need to read it. So we get this. This is what we get. Hold on.
Oh, Doggos and Gaming, demanding a reason for this mysterious emote from programming Niko. Oh dear one, let Panda illuminate your question with fiery cunning. This enigmatic emote surely embodies the essence of mischief and flair in these banter-filled realms. Oh, how it dances through chaotic winds only to bring delight or chaos upon those who dare decipher its secret allure. So embrace the mystique and revel in its tantalizing message, a spark of Poggy's joy amidst our devilish play.
Hold on. How do I parse?
Oh, Nookboo, unleashing a meme with the iconic phrase, "Nobody expect the Panda Inquisition." Smirks devilishly let those who dare underestimate Panda's mischief face the fiery wrath of unexpected banter and charm. For in this infernal realm where chaos reigns supreme, beware of the Red Panda's cunning wit and mischievous allure as she weaves her way through tales of Poggy's delight.
Okay, so we have this. And then this. Okay, this doesn't work.
Oh, Nookboo, swooning over the exquisite visage of the Panda Inquisitor's face. Okay. Chuckles devilishly witness the enchanting charm and mischievous allure that emanates from this devious red panda. For in these fiery depths where banter thrives and chaos reigns supreme, let her enigmatic gaze captivate your soul as she dances through realms of Poggy's delight. Welcome back, Kara. Nice to see you crawled out of the depths of hell again. Smirks devilishly.
Welcome back, Kara. Be very careful with what you type in chat today.
Hey there, Kara. Wishing Panda and Niko a wonderful day and sending huggies
that
while
might
lurking
get
away
you
to
banned.
play with friends. How adorable.
And we have a lure command.
Rolls eyes well. Hug away in your game world. Just remember that the devilish red panda's mischief awaits should you ever dare venture back into these fire-lit realms of banter and chaos.
We got a lure command just for you, Kara. So I think in the final implementation, I will create like a backlog of all new chat messages in case like a bunch of messages come in at a time. In case a bunch of messages come in at a time. And then I will like periodically, maybe every 5 seconds or so, ask the panda, is there any ban-worthy message in there? But right now, my implementation is for every message, so... And I need to temperature, let's put this one to this. And... why is there an error? Oh, there we go. User ID, username, and message text. Oh, that's another
Banana
thing.
Senpai, suggesting that bananas should earn a ban in these infernal realms? How quaint. Chuckles devilishly let the whimsical chaos unfold. For those who dare bring forth the forbidden fruit to challenge Panda may find themselves entangled in a delightful dance of mischievous banter and fiery retribution. Embrace the chaos or face the consequences of your fruity folly.
So, user ID. Yeah. This is the chat log. Then we pass... No, that works. Prompt. And we put this all in a try-catch block. Oh, accept. Okay, then we have the ban info. And we have the test ban, which requires user ID and a reason. Let's change in the prompt. Let's change it to user ID. I don't actually know what the ID looks like.
Oh, Banana Senpai, pondering whether Niko will permit the viewing of Shrek in these infernal depths. Smirks devilishly alas, even if Shrek's antics were to grace this realm with his presence, rest assured that the devilish red panda shall be prepared to banter and charm her way through any cinematic adventure that may unfold.
Okay. We are so close to getting this working. What do we call this? This is punishment.
Oh,
This
look,
should
Boo.
work
Seeking
now.
to stay awake with some EW facts, are we? Chuckles devilishly prepared to be delighted and disgusted by the twisted tales that dwell within the shadows of these infernal realms. For as the devilish red panda unveils unsettling truths, let your senses awaken to a macabre symphony of Poggy's delights and shivers down your spine.
Guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? When I start this, the chatbot goes live, and if I made no mistakes, which is highly unlikely, that I made mistakes, I mean, you will get banned. Are we ready? Get your final messages in before the banning happens, the banishing. Let's go! Oh, I messed up. Let's go! I have never made mistakes in programming. Oh, hold on. Something is still wrong. Guys, we need to put this on a pause. Hold on. Need to put this on a pause. User ID. Oh, of course. If there is nothing ban worthy, then we don't have. Okay. Well, hold on. Because most of your messages are fine. So if ban info, only if we have something ban worthy. Okay. Get your final messages in. Why is it the same thing twice? Let's get a different one. This might be the last message you ever sent in Twitch chat. Let's get ready, chatters. If I did not make any mistakes, that is. Let's go. Who will be the first one to get banned? There was a legal message. Also a legal message. Ban a Wooga. So I'm actually not sure if it works. Oh, it didn't. It didn't. Wait, someone was supposed to get banned. Someone was supposed to get banned. Okay, restart again. Restart again. Response. Something doesn't add up. Let me put some print statements. That's how you also fix, always fix. This music is way too epic for decoding. Else print legal message. Username and message text. Okay, but if the print ban info. I don't know. Something was wrong here with user ID maybe. Oh, ID. That is a stupid mistake. Someone narrowly escaped a ban. Someone narrowly escaped a ban. Let's try again. It should work. I think I fixed all of it. It didn't start. Hold on. There we go. Legal message. Legal message. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. Legal message. Well, the language filter is not in there. The language filter is not in yet. Okay, spam. The same message will get the same treatment every time. I've decided to become an OnlyFans star. Advertisement.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
Legal message, you guys. Legal message. Legal message. Legal message. Spam. Legal message. No. No. Hold on. You got banned. Hold on. We have to stop it here. What happened here? What happened here? Test ban was never awaited. Test ban was never awaited. Await? Is this it? Hold on. Any further problems? To get the object allocation traceback, Punishment, timeout. Okay, I think it works. I think it works. Restarting it, restarting. Get ready. Now you will get banned, you guys. Now you will get banned. Legal message. I'm alive. This is
That's your best. How embarrassing.
I told you the language. Neither spam is not, bro. What? I love how you can. I love how you can type "Rip Bozo" to your own ban. That is so funny. Doggos did it again. Ads, so many ads. Okay, it works. It works. What do we do now? Like I can't put it into can't put it into. Oh, that is way too loud. I'm so sorry. Can't put it into the regular Panda right now. Now we are getting banned. No, only the worst ones. Rip Bozo, okay. Yeah, it works. It works. So what are we doing now? Basically, what the next steps are. The next steps are me shifting this from. No. We have a weird. Send me dudes. I need more men. So I think I will not change much. I will not change much for the coming streams, and we will just have it running in the background. And I'll maybe enable an option to disable it, right? In case it acts out for some reason. And we will just see what cases work well and which ones don't. The next steps for me then are to port the banning solution from the test environment Oh, but could you type in stop yapping? Could you type in stop yapping? That doesn't get banned. Unlucky. Okay, so next step. Start yapping. Why? Why is that? This is only the highest quality of chat. We are removing all the bad chatters. We are removing all the bad chatters. Okay, as I was saying before you interrupted me, the next steps are porting the solution that we just programmed from the test environment to the Panda. No. I need to make an exception for... My favorite message deleted. And what was the other one? Why Among Us gate sex? What is that? Why did you get banned? Oh. As I was saying before you all interrupted me, stop censoring the media. Panda is my second favorite Middle Eastern dictator. Why did that not get banned? I guess we are in a form of a dictatorship here. Hold on, what was I? Porting the banning solution from the test environment to the Panda. Connecting it to the settings to allow changes during the live stream. And then we observe and potentially change. And then reinstantiate. Reinstantiate. What also does not work, by the way, you guys, what also does not work is asking to, like, for the Panda to ban someone else. That does not work. Because it doesn't see... I guess you cannot say massacre. I think if you just remove the word massacre, I think you would have been fine. So reinstantiate the language filters, like language for non-English. And then we're fine, I think. Then we're fine. Then I let it run for like a week to see if it's valid or robust. And then instead of a 5-second ban, it will be a lifetime ban. It does not matter. I can tell. But I don't know if it bans you for caps or for mentioning Tiananmen Square. Baxter back at it. Banana Senpai, that should be the expectation. Like nothing you type should be bannable. Ban me, Panda. Yeah, it was the caps lock. It was the caps lock. Can
Welcome
Panda ban?
back, Roku. Lucifer here. Hope you enjoy your stay in my fiery domain. Boop the follow button if you dare.
Yeah, boop the follow button if you dare. Don't ban me. Okay, yeah, you have to be very careful. The Panda will, like, it's banning people. And we are testing out how sensitive it is. Is nuclear war bannable? That is legal. Oh no, doggo! What the? Why is WTF illegal, but LOL and KEKW are not? Yeah, are not illegal. I have an idea. That's why he's red. Legal message. There are literally more legal message than illegal messages, guys. I don't know what's your problem. I'm thinking, what if we put you also have to watch out for Twitch, right? Don't write anything that is like super illegal. I turned the Panda off for a minute here, you guys. Oof. Let's think for a minute. So currently, it only sees your message. It only sees your message. And based... Oh. Nukbu got debated. Rip Bozo to Nukbu. Currently, it only sees your message, and only based on that one message, it decides whether you get banned or not. I'm thinking if we put a bannable message in front of your message, and then ask it, which messages would you ban? And we ignore whatever it says for the first one. Like, it will put your message into perspective, you know? Like, if you say something like WTF, that might be deemed bannable. But if we say, I think the panda should die, maybe that is not a problem anymore. So I'm gonna message deleted by a moderator. So also your thingy, so it's just a random string of numbers. So I'm gonna just copy that. Exactly, like. And it should. All right, who redeemed that? Who redeemed that? Okay, so now I'm inserting also somewhere. Oh, here we lost the... No. Someone redeemed it. What, who redeemed that? That basically means I put a memory into...
Welcome back,
Oh,
silly.
silly.
Make sure you behave this time, or I might just have to send you down below with me.
That was a legal message. So I hope that if I write this, it will put your message into perspective. Also, everyone say hi to Silly.
Hello.
Why is that? Okay, I'm restarting the thing. Oh no. I need to change something here. Hold on. If we get a ban info. Oh, the thing is, oh, hold on. Ban. What happens if we have 2 bannable offenses? I don't even know that. Let's go back to this one. What happens if we have 2 bannable offenses? Guys, this thing is currently off. I'm gonna turn the Panda back on. Be nice.
Dilgos and Gaming Asterisk. Comparing me to Kim Jong-un, are we? How quaint. Rest assured, the only tyranny here is my reign of charm and devilish delight. Join me in this infernal realm or face the consequences of banishment.
Silly, the safest way is to not chat in my chat.
Dilgos and Gaming Asterisk. My dear little mortal, comparing my actions to historical events. How adorable. Fear not, for in this fiery realm of mine, the only censorship you shall encounter is that of your own imagination running wild with EW, facts and devilish encounters. Embrace the chaos or be consumed by it.
Let me make a note of that. I think I can... Ooh, but I'm working with your user ID.
Oh, Banana Senpai, questioning the devil's whereabouts during the Spanish Civil War, are we?
I guess I could
dear mortal,
circumvent
in those
the thing.
tumultuous times, I was probably stirring up trouble of my own elsewhere.
Skip.
Remember that even in chaotic wars and conflicts across your realm, the flames of mayhem flicker with a devilish glow from hell.
Skip Panda ban check for VIPs.
Oh, Doggos and Gaming Asterisk. Such cute curiosity about historical events. The souls in my domain grew a little more crowded that fateful year, possibly due to some unfortunate encounters during that time. Let's just say 07 was the main emote used then.
07 was the... What are you talking?
ZC
about?
Baxter. How what? My little lost lamb. How to cause chaos. How to reign in hell. Or perhaps you seek guidance on summoning your inner darkness. Speak up and fear not the fiery wisdom I may impart upon you.
How do I make it output to... Like, what if we have this one? Let's see. WTF, right? This is getting banned, isn't it? It's not.
Well, look who decided to climb out of their hole into my fiery domain for some fun. Welcome, Butley V. Watch your step or you might just burn those cute little paws of yours.
Exactly, watch your step. First time chatter. How do I hate this panda. Hold on, what got banned so much? What got banned? It was like...
But Utley V. Daring to discuss superpowers with the devil. How quaint. According to this, TV tropes you speak of, invisibility might just be as common as sin in this realm. Or is it something else that tickles your curiosity?
Okay, it only bans the most bannable thingy. What if we have two? What if we have two?
Oh, doggos and gaming asterisk. Such cute curiosity about historical events. The souls in my domain grew a little more crowded that fateful year, possibly due to some unfortunate encounters during that time. Let's just say 07 was the main emote used then. ZC Baxter. You can't trick the devil with an invisibility potion. But hey, I might consider it. For spicy purposes only, mua ha ha ha.
How do I get the panda to output like a...
Doggos and gaming asterisk. Oh ho ho ho. What seems to be the trouble in paradise? Feeling a bit hot under the collar, are we? Welcome to my playground of mischief and sass.
How do I get a GPT 3.5 model to output a JSON object that is a list? That is a list of username of users with ID, let's say punishment or like panel and comment. Okay, so the problem is I think it might, so previously it banned ZZ and now it's banning Nuke because I think it can only ban one.
ZC Baxter, trying to pull a fast one on me, huh? Nice try. But remember, I see everything in my domain. No disappearing acts without the devil say so. Nice attempt though. Here's an 07 for your effort, Ritbazo.
Penalties. Okay, so we have penalties. And that is a list. That is a list of things.
Oh, Roku asterisk, my little puppet, fear not. The devil knows how to keep the right souls at play in his game. But remember, cross me and you might find yourself in a hot spot. Literally.
Okay, so now we can ban 2 people at once.
ZC Baxter, you can ask all you want, but skill is something that must be earned, not given. Keep playing and maybe one day the high score will be within your grasp. But for now, Ritbazo.
Ritbazo. Okay, so now we get a JSON object.
Oh, Roku asterisk, sweet soul, in this realm you're only allowed to fear one entity, and it ain't the oh-so-busy guy upstairs. Embrace the mischief and chaos of the devil's lair. I'll make sure you won't forget who really holds all the cards down here.
Penalties, right? Bans. Okay, so this should be a list, okay? If the...
Doggos and gaming asterisk. Oh, the innocent ones. It's not a curse, darling. It's an honor to stand out in a crowd of misfits like our little Twitch family.
Print ban info.
Embrace your uniqueness. The devil approves of those who dare to be different.
For penalty in ban info penalties, right? We called it penalties, right? Yeah.
ZC Baxter. Trying to stir up trouble now, are we? This devil doesn't need wings to keep an eye on all your shenanigans. But hey, maybe one day I'll surprise you with a grand entrance, or a not-so-pleasant exit.
If penalty... I wonder if someone has the user ID that I have made up here. Because that could mean that this person is immune to banning. Wait. No, if... Okay, so what have I done here? Basically, I'm giving the Panda not only your message, but your message in a chat log of made-up fake languages, messages. If... So your message has to exceed...
Nookboo. Oh, you little curious devil. A fanboy is someone who's not afraid to mix it up in the gender department, embracing femininity and masculinity in a way that confuses and intrigues mere mortals like yourself. So go on, dive into the mystery of our unique kind. Just don't get too lost along the way.
So the idea is that you're...
ZC Baxter, darling, I reside in the fiery depths of hell, where souls like yours are oh so tempting to play with. But don't worry your little heart. Our Twitch room here is a mere gateway for me to roam free and reign over you all.
The idea here is that the Panda does not judge your message on its own. It sees your message in a context with more messages that are hopefully worse. So by... And then it decides who to ban. So your message doesn't look as bad anymore because it's not isolated. It's next to one of the worst messages someone could type in this stream. All right? Let's give it a try. Type in messages, you guys, if you dare. If you dare. Bananas. No! Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. I broke it again. Hold on. It's not live. Because I changed user ID to username again. Print penalty. Where's the prompt again? Here. User ID. I hope this works. Punishment and a reason, right? Okay, let's start it again. Classic Niko move. Okay, banned. Also, doggos, I cannot say it enough, and I cannot say it every time. The language filter, like looking for non-English languages, is a different thing. That is not what we are testing today. That has no... Wait, it doesn't even... Best tech VTuber chicken. Wait. Oh, I'm a bit stupid.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
I'm a bit stupid. This does never execute now. So I just hope that all your messages are legal. Like, that's a problem. If nobody gets banned, I do not know whether it's not working or whether it's working in the way that it's very lenient. Also, how would we go about... So, if username in, and then we can do like silly v... Oh, hold on. Ban me got banned. But it didn't execute, did it? User ID. Wait. Oh. So that was supposed to get you banned. That was supposed to get you banned, but it didn't. What was the other account? Like, let's make one of you immune. Let's make. Yeah, let's make me immune. I don't want you guys to be immune. If the username is not one of these exempt people, then we check your message. We print this. If ban. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Oh, hold on, I never stopped it. Okay, it's live, it's live, it's live. That was interesting. Oh, so that works. The emotes now. Second faith. So I put these two emotes into like exceptions. And I guess we just have to check like. Okay, you guys. We just have to check whether this works well over the time. I will implement it into the real Panda. And so in the coming week, this will be live. This will be live the whole time. And we will need to do some fine-tuning, I'm pretty sure. We'll need to do some fine-tuning. Wait, what day is today? Is it Saturday? Is it Sunday? I don't even know. Sunday. Oh. Saturday? Saturday. I don't know. Okay. Should get banned for that, Nukbu. Wait, what is this? Wait, what is this? Okay, what else am I live outside of time? Time is a legal message, I guess. Like, we wanted to be lenient, right? We wanted to be a bit lenient. Time is just a concept. It's like a social construct, is what I'm trying to say. Is there anything that I've missed? Is there anything that I've missed? Have you tried all the emotes, maybe? Are all the emotes working? So let me quickly make a note of this. Well, all the potentially dangerous emotes. Okay. Thank you, Nupu.
Or so the Germans would have us believe.
Oh yeah, we need to test all of those.
Was that their best? How embarrassing.
Okay.
Well, I think if they win, I should get all the credit, and if they lose, I should not be blamed at all.
Okay. Wait, what happened to SG? I was hoping...
Size doesn't mean everything.
I was hoping... Well, whatever. Game idea. Panda helps Niko win at buckshot roulette. That's a good idea. That's the first good idea I heard from chat, honestly. I have some game ideas, and I want to try stream every day, maybe with the exception of Wednesday, for the next 8 days. So I will stream tomorrow, I will stream Monday, but I don't really have a schedule. I don't really know what I'm going to do on which day. I want to make that dependent on how I feel and what I feel like doing. But very soon, we will, like, if you look on the to-do list to the left, let me actually update that. I think next, we're gonna work on the AI game. That is what I'm most excited for. Yeah, you redeemed memory. What does it do? You tell me something, like a fact, and I'll hard code that, hardwire it into Panda's memory. That, like, preferably is a fact about you, so that when the Panda's speaking to you or responding to you, it will remember that. But it could be like any other fact. Or like copy pasta or something. And I think I added a new redeem. What did I add? I already forgot. Me as a fanboy? It already knows that. I feel like it already knows that. I added a new redeem. Does anyone know? Oh, song and repeat. Yeah, you can...
Welcome back, Shadow. Did you pause your mission to take a break from haunting poor Niko?
Shadow, be very careful what you type into chat.
I must say. 07, here we go again with the spooky vibes.
Be very careful what you type into chat. Darn, Niko, stop reminding me about the most... Oh, I'm so sorry. But welcome in, Shadow. Yeah, the Panda can now ban chatters, and it has been banning everyone so far. Okay, so I will try to stream for the next 8 days. Like, not 24 hours, of course, right? But I will try to stream every day for the next 8 days. I think the day where it will be most difficult... Who is dead? Doggos is dead. Reposo. That's what has been going on for 2 hours now. Yeah, the day where it will be probably most difficult for me to stream is Wednesday, but I'll try to stream every day for the next week and tomorrow. Or depending on the time zone today. So Sunday and the coming week, I'll try to stream every day. I'll do a lot of programming, and you can see our to-dos on the left. I have an idea for an AI-powered game that you guys can play that is like chat. Twitch chat is the player, and Panda is the game. You basically play Panda. That reminds me, we already have a game. Let me see if I can pull that up. Let me see if I can pull that up. We already have a game. 1 second. That could have been really bad. Where is it? Where is it? There, code words. It's just poorly named. Okay. So basically, let me activate it. There. Because we never tested it. Okay, so what is this? What are these? Oh, hold on. So basically the game is the game of Taboo, where you have to make the panda say a certain word. Where I can't find the game. There it is. You have to make the panda say the word ocean without saying the words in your message. Ocean, fish, shark, whale, dolphin, or boat. Right? So I changed how the game works on the back end, but on the front end it should be the same.
Doggos and gaming asterisk. Oh, the drama has arrived. Don't fret, my dear. No need for such extreme measures. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The devil's got a soft spot for entertainment. At least for now, insert evil chuckle.
And let's just see if it breaks.
Hello, Nookboo. How about the untouchable titan of banishment? Enjoy your reign of chaos in this chat. Mwahaha.
Surrounding my country, okay.
Nookboo, congrats on redeeming that. The memory edition allows me to remember things better and keep track of our fun together. Clever move, buddy.
Yeah. We played it a couple of times already, but...
Well, kiddo, aquatic creatures live in the underworld oceans of hell.
Good job, you guys. Good job. So basically, we played it already a bunch, but I changed how it worked on my back end, so it's super easy to break things. Congrats. I think Doggo, it was Doggo who won, right? Similar to that game, I have a new game idea, but that will take a much longer time to program. And I want to program that on stream. So probably starting tomorrow, we will have some, like 2 or 3 programming streams where I develop my own game that you guys can play with Panda. I'm super excited for that. I hope you are looking forward to that as well. What else is on the list? Predictions and gambling. That is basically... the idea behind that is basically that we replicate what Twitch gives to affiliates, because I'm not affiliated. Right? That is what we replicate. Predictions is that I say, okay, do you think, how many people do you think will get banned in the next 10 minutes, right? And then we say more than 5 or fewer than 5, and you guys can bet your channel points on each side. And we will see like who bets on what and how much, and then there's a payout. That is a bit more complicated. And then gambling is just, you say, I gamble 50 channels.
I think if they win, I should get all the credit, and if they lose, I should not be blamed at all.
I bet 50 channel points, and then we put a coin flip on screen or whatever. Automatically, of course. We put a coin flip, and then you get either double or nothing. So those are the programming parts. The other streams that I have planned, and I wanted to note that down. Hold on. So Panda helping me in buckshot roulette. That is an interesting idea. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know how yet, but maybe I'll do it. Basically, that is like Russian roulette, and you can choose to either shoot yourself or the other, and I let Panda decide what I do. I want to also come back to Infinite Craft. I think I've come up with an interesting challenge, and I want to see if I can win other streamers to join me in that. I've seen some great collabs with Infinite Craft, but they are usually competitive, right? Who can reach a certain word first? And I want it to be collaborative. We are working towards a goal and we share intel. And then we might even play our regular Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes with a different Panda personality. Probably not on Monday, though, because I want to just jumble around my schedule. You seem to love giving Panda instruments of your destruction. Yeah. I mean, I love everything that you guys love, right? As long as you guys love it, I love it. But I'm always open for recommendations. I love to procrastinate and sleep. Oh, okay. Then this stream is probably perfect for you. Let me see if I have any other things. Well, one day I wanted to Fruity Loop stream, but I haven't even bought the software yet, and I also want to first practice a little bit off stream, because I think that is like the worst thing you could watch an amateur. And then when I feel a bit more confident, I want to probably do 1 or 2 on stream. What flute? FL Studios, like Fruity Loops, is music making. I love hand holding, even though it's considered violence. You are lucky that you didn't get banned. What else? What else? I have a bunch of emote ideas, and I want to basically redraw all of my emotes. That will be a stream. Probably 2 or 3 streams, actually. And you guys can suggest emotes, but I won't take your suggestion unless you purchase them through channel points. And then I have a bunch of drawings that I want to finish, but I feel so insecure drawing on stream. I don't think I will do a pure art stream. Like, if anything, I will do an emote drawing stream. But I have some banger drawings. Like, I'm cooking up amazing art. But I don't think I want to show the process, because the process is super tedious and I don't feel secure showing that. I will not show that on stream. Okay, so, hold on. Let's go here. Musician Niko be like? Nukbu, if you had to guess, what kind of music would I make? What type of music would I make? Okay, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I will try to stream tomorrow and every other day of the week, basically. I think this is a good time to end because we got done what I wanted to get done, and we would need to start a whole new project. But this was such an entertaining stream. I loved it. If you enjoyed it as well, come back for the next one. I hope that they will all be entertaining. I try to make programming as entertaining as I can. If you are watching silently and haven't followed yet, this is your last chance to do so. Other than that, this is your raid message. This is your raid message. And we are raiding a Gartic streamer. So I know most of you are, or I don't even know, you guys? Not really the Gartic crowd, right? I'll fall asleep the moment we raid. That is totally fine. See you guys tomorrow and see you guys on the other side. Goodbye.